A common use case with easier software documentation is that you want to find something, a label, or a specific description. Every eHandbook container contains an automatic generated search index. You can query the search index through the global search field. To search for something, simply type the term or phrase that you're looking for into the search field and hit enter. The search results are then shown in the Search Results tab. Here you can see what exactly was found, where it was found, in which context, meaning ECU function or chapter, and in what content type, be it a textual documentation, a screenshot, or as part of an interactive model. Double-click on a search hit to open the content where it was found. Use the filters to narrow down the scope and amount of search hits. Use the Next or Previous Search Hits buttons to step over the search results. The global search supports different semantics for searching and querying the search index. The default semantics is the contains semantics, meaning that the search term that you enter automatically gets wildcards at the beginning and the end. You can also search more precisely by switching to the exactly semantics. In this case, enter a term and EHANDBOOK-NAVIGATOR will then only show you the search results which exactly match to your entry. This, together with the filters, helps you to massively narrow down your search hits so that you more quickly can find what you're actually looking for. Another way to query the search index is to enter a phrase. For this, use quotation marks and hit enter. In this example, all places where oil pressure appears as a phrase will be found and listed in the search results. Last but not least, please note that you can also rearrange the Search Results tab simply by dragging the tab and putting it into a different place in the UI. This can be helpful when working with many search results in a larger list.